Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, girls. Already we have defined the isomerism. So once again we are going to define it, as we have to go with it in a detail. That's why with the definition once again. So the isomerism, two or more compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formulas and properties are said to be isomers, and this phenomena is called isomerism. The structural formula of compounds show the arrangement of the atoms and bonds within the molecule. Simplest hydrocarbon to have the structural isomer is butane. Means starting with with 4 carbon, at least there should be 4 carbon for the isomers to exist. And if 4 carbon in alkane is present, the name of the alkane is butane. While the lesser number carbon alkanes like methane, ethane and propane, they don't show the phenomena of isomerism because they each exist in a one structural form. No more or two structural forms are possible for this. So if we study the structural formula of butane or other higher hydrocarbons of the alkane family, we will observe that it's possible to arrange the atoms and bonds present in the molecule in more than one way. Okay, this means that it's possible to have two or more different arrangements. For example, for butane, as we have already explained, the molecule can have the two different arrangements as represented by the structural formula. Look over here. In a first, on a left hand side, N-butane is shown where 4 carbon and 10 hydrogen are shown. All the 4 carbons are arranged in a linear form in a straight chain, while in the case of the isobutane, which is represented on the right hand side, again 4 carbon and 10 hydrogen are there, but now the representation is changed, means structure is changed. So N-butane and isobutane are isomer of each other because both are having same molecular formula, means both are having the same number of carbon and hydrogen, but the structural rearrangement of those carbon and hydrogen are different in these two. That's why these compounds have the two different physical properties as well, but the same molecular formula. Isomerism is not only possible but common if the compounds contain more than 3 carbon atoms. As the number of carbon atom increases, the number of possible isomer also increases. For example, here we have put the example of 4 carbon compound butane, and it is having the 2 isomers. And for the carbon number 5, means if the compound is having 5 carbon in pentane, the number of isomer will increase from 2 to 3. It means more carbon number, more number of isomers are possible because we can arrange them in a different ways. Types of isomerism will be discussed in the next lecture. Thank you.